reap what you sow, therefore I won't plant it. Road to destruction is like burning while you're stranded.
Come on, fellas.
Yeah.
I know y'all been standing up all night, but y'all gotta get crunk for Christ again. Come on, y'all. Hey, check it. I'm gonna let y'all know. I told these brothers I stopped freestyling because of my flesh. So I'm gonna spit something. Grace snatched me up, yeah. And I ain't talking about a female, talking about the good news that was told, and I'm gonna retell in detail. I'm gonna got a plan for which we fail, cause we were all slaves to the flesh. Coffee fell when we fell. In the garden of Eden when Adam laid off the tree. The fruit is given by Eve. Now we all in disease. And we cursed for sin. Now we born spiritually dead with no pulse within. But what that means, that when it comes to God, we got an issue. And it's too late to cry, no need for tears, no repetition. But this Savior made a case for dismissal when he took that wrath of God with some choppers and some pistols. We know confess the father's wrath, still hold his face up. Christ jumped a couple wrath while I was up with no chaser. And he did it on behalf of the elect. So when it's time to face that judgment, so it's time to pay that debt. Yep. Hey, 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 get it.
I stays on fire, no ass like a Pokemon. Covered by the blood, don't cost me not Jamaica. Hey, I just lift them up every day. Hey, yeah, lift them up, I'm unashamed. I'm going straight from my brain, and I don't usually do this, but I'm powered by the Holy Spirit. So hey, this is my life. I'm doing things right. You used to look at, you can go to the club and get my things on, but you know what? I have to give it up. I give it all to him. Not in my past, but I'm down to my past. Now I'm living. Yeah, real fresh with Christ. Yeah. Hey, 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 hey,
Leaders on the track, tracks on the throne. Salvation through grace by Christ alone. I'm saved by His will, you and I'm my own. So we turn it up until it comes to telephone. Hey, turned up, there's no turning down. Destination heaven, see, head me head down. Jesus gave me new life, there's no turn around. So we living for the only true at the crown. Jesus, and now I have your attention. Please allow your boy to mention that there is a major difference in the term definition. Ain't talking about getting teaching or going out of control like our common sense is missing. Ain't talking about living your life as the mission of Christ. Instead of heading the hill, you turning up towards light. So repent your future, pay Christ, you go and turn up. But come with God, you gon' like when you turn up. Hey, 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 hey.
I was separated from Christ, alienated from the commonwealth, a stranger to the covenant and the promise, on my way to hell. Without God in this world, I had no hope, so lost, so far. By the blood of Christ, I've been brought here. He's our peace, reconciling you and me to God and one body through the cross, killing us, killing it. See, that's special. I was that forgiven me. God so loved the world, He said it's so just to deliver. Hey, sin and our iniquity, action in the flesh, and He died for us willingly. We were sin affiliated, Jesus was propitiated. We deserve the wrath of God, the Lamb, volunteered and taken. On the third day, when He rose from the grave, He defeated death and put away all our blame. And now He sits forever, right hand of the throne, and I faith in Him alone, Him alone, Him alone. Hey, 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 hey. For I'm not ashamed of the gospel of Jesus Christ, because it is the power of God unto salvation. I have been dedicated, I have been determined, for I know nothing but Christ and Him crucified. God did not give us a spirit of fear, but a spirit of boldness, love, and of a sound mind. Therefore, when Jesus Christ was hung on the cross like a curtain, 3 days and 3 nights He slept, but then early one Sunday morning He rose again. And the Bible said, "On death, where is thy sting? On grave, where is thy victory? Because victory today is ours." Hey, 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 hey. So this is what it feels like. Hey, nothing but wrong, I want to do right. We're doing the word that God told me. We're trying to respect and come boldly. So I turn it up, me and God gon' shut it down. I'm in the garden, planting seeds in the ground. I let the Lord take the wheel in my life, hey. And 16, I take rolling in the right. Hey, hey, turn, I'm turn. Hey, hey, devil, and you again, burn. Hey, hey, yeah, wanna comment, take seeds like,
hey, hey. See, we're worried about material things like staying fly, while the king's still on the throne sitting real high. So we're worried about paying the bills and making it by. When the earth's gonna pass away, one day you're gonna die. So we're worried about running the trap or being a thug. When Christ came and died on the cross, showing us love. So we're worried about hustling at home, it's making it phony. You need to submit your life to make Christ your personal testimony. I don't play games like Sony. I came to let you know what's real, make you feel how I feel, and share my burdens on you. These burdens I carry, whatever we sold. To promote kind of shit will go.
Bless y'all, give yourself a hand. Hallelujah. Thank you, Jesus. Lord, you're worthy of all the praises, from the rising of the sun to the going down of the same. He is the Lamb of God that was slain from the beginning of the foundation. Bless the Lord. Thank you all.
Praise the Lord. Hallelujah. You know, before I go into the I want to do something.